Welcome to Tamara's Garden. Today I will be covering up about beginner gardener's plants. What are the plants that a beginner gardener can easily put and grow and multiply? So stay tuned to my channel. If you are new, please consider to subscribe. Lucky bamboo, another beginner gardener's plant. Single stem cutting in water or in soil to propagate. Low maintenance and permanent plants. No need to fertilize as well. They belong to the family of Dracaena and would love the shady corner in your garden. So this is another suggestion for a beginner gardener. Pandanus plants. They are also low maintenance and permanent. A beginner gardener can easily grow them. They are colorful and decorative plants too. ZZ plant. Another beautiful plant, a feng shui plant. Another beautiful plant for your garden. Low maintenance and permanent. A beginner gardener can easily grow these plants. So have this plant also in your garden as an outdoor plant or as an indoor plant. This is another beautiful decorative plant, and see, you can grow it with a single stem. And my plant is in a medium to large size pot. Wonderful philodendron. So when talking about beginner gardeners plants, Coleus is one of the best plants. It's a decorative plant. They come in various colors. You can add it in your garden. You can add it as an hedge plant as well. So this is one of the plants. You can simply put a stem of this plant in water to propagate, or else put it in directly soil. This is one of the permanent plants and also low maintenance plant. One of the beautiful decorative plants for your garden as a beginner gardener. Start up with Coleus. One tip to grow Coleus very bushily and healthily: always provide them the moisture, well moistured soil, and always water them in the hot summers and pinch them on the top and remove that, so that you will see your Coleus will grow healthily and bushily. You can see how big my leaves of this plant. So you can grow them very simply and with a single stem. Many varieties of pothos plants, neon pothos, golden pothos, and there are many varieties. Collect all as a beginner gardener and put them in small pots. Grow them indoors, grow them outdoors. This is one of the best plants for you to grow. Keep them in the shade, do not put them in the bright direct sunlight. And this plant you can grow with a single stem. No need of fertilizer, permanent plant, and also one of the best plants as a beginner. So start up with this plant as well. Wandering Jew, another colorful plant and also beginner gardener's plant. No need of fertilizer. Put a small stem in small pot, even they will grow beautifully. They are very colorful plants. They decorate your garden either in hanging pots or in small pots, and with a single stem you can grow them. No need of fertilizer, so a beginner gardener can easily grow them. Next plant for a beginner gardener is spider plants. Spider plants you can grow and multiply very easily. You can put them in water as well. You can put them directly in soil. You can multiply them with spider eggs. So these are beautiful plants for you to grow in a very short period of time. Keep them in the shade and no need to fertilize time to time. So they are low maintenance and permanent plants as well. Devil's backbone, another beautiful variegated leafy plant for your garden. You can grow them with a single stem and also no need of fertilizer. These plants also loves the partial to medium sunlight and no need of daily watering. So this is another beginner gardener's plant.